Alright guys, this is the second part. The pressure washer is already fixed, no smoke whatsoever, and I figured out that was the problem with it. It's this little tube here. It's like a vacuum. The inside, where I don't know if you remember the first time I showed you, the first video, there was an structure on the little window inside, and that was letting the gas going in and mix with the oil. So I cleaned it, put a new gasket on it, and that fixed the problem. I thought it was the whole thing, the whole engine, that it was not good because it was smoking too much. White smoke was coming out of here. So, but that was not the problem. I thought it was the whole engine, but good thing, it's working good, good pressure, and it's good to go.